my video. My name is Tasya Natali Sihombing. I am college student from Mathematics Education Study Program 2019 at State University of Medan. In this video, I will explain about chapter 4 is numerical system development. Okay, I will start. According to history, when humans began to recognize writing historical times and carry out counting or counting activities, they were confused about how to give the number symbol. So, then a numerication system was created, namely a system consisting of numericals, symbols of numbers. The numeration system is a rule for expressing or writing numbers using a number of number symbol. Some of the concepts used in the numeration system are 1. Addict rules, not using the rules of place and the value of a symbol is obtained from adding up the values of the main symbols. The symbols is the same, the value is the same wherever it is located. 2. Simple grouping rules. If the symbol used has the value and 0 and 1 and 2 and has an additive rule. 3rd, place rule if the same symbol but different places have different values. 4. Multiplicative rules. If it has a basic, then it has the symbol of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 until B1 and has symbol for B2, B3, B4 and so on. However, it must be realized that it took counters to arrive at the conclusion. This is not the first in the number system. Accordingly, several number systems will be described as follows. The first is the ancient Egyptian number system, or 3000 BC, Dex Rain Mathematical, PA, P. Moscow Mathematical, Papyrus showed that the ancient Egyptian could calculate for basic mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using fraction, calculate the volume of cubes and pyramids, and calculate the area of square, triangles, circles, and spread. They understand the basic concepts of algebraic geometry and is able to solve simultaneous equations. The ancient Egyptians used a number system since the first dynasty around BC. The symbol of the ancient Egyptian system were called hieroglyphs. Egyptian numerals use decimal base number or base 10. For the number 1 is expressed in the form of stick 1 to number 9 still using 9 sticks. However, the number 10 has a special symbol Hilbon. The number 100 has the form of a symbol spiral. Number 100 to 900 still use the same symbol spiral as many as 9 pages. The number 1000 use the symbol lotus flower. The number 10,000 is represented by the index finger, while 100 and 1000 is represented by the symbol bird. The number 1 million is represented by astonished people, while 10 million is represented by the symbol sunrise. The second is Babylonian numeral system 200 BC. In the past, the Babylonians wrote numbers with a page of wood on tablets made of clay tablets. Babylonian script or numeral are often referred to as cuneiform because they are shaped like nails. The Babylonian wrote cuneiform using a reed plane with a pointed tip or the elongated triangular frames by attaching it to a slab when swelled to produce triangular basin nail. The Babylonian numeral system about 2400 BC is also called the sexagesimal system because it used basic state taken from Sumer. Sexagesimal still exists today in the form of level, minute, and seconding the trigonometry measurement, which is the cultural heritage of Babylon. Unlike the ancient Egyptian system, the Babylonian system prioritized position. For numbers greater than 60, the symbol presents the symbol, and any symbol on the left has a value of 60 times the result value. The Babylonian numeral system did not have zeros. They used space to indicate the absence of a number in a particular place value. The third is Mayan numeral system. Archaeologists admit that the Mayan calendar began counting the time from 3114 BC, referred to as year 0 and equate to January 1st. The numeration system is very high, where we change the symbol of the image with dots and horizontal lines, and cell symbols to represent 0, which is sufficient to represent any numbers. This kind of theory is used in the binary system of today's calculator, and is thought to be the first nation to use a place value system and a 0. The system that a base of 20 vegasimal using a place value system and is written vertically. Base 20 is used because it is considered to represent the number of fingers on the human hand and foot. In the Mayan numeral system, the dot represented 1 and the horizontal line represent 5. The fourth is the ancient Greek numerical system 300 BC. As in Egypt and Mesopotamia, the Greeks also developed their own numeration system. The ancient Greek system was originally called the Attic system. It appeared around 300 BC, then developed into the Lineal alphabet Greek system. The first is ancient Greek numeral system Attic. The Attic system forms a simple group system based on 10, which is formed from the first letter of number names. In addition to the symbol HH, KFM4, 110, 102, 103, 104, and 3 is a special number symbol for 5. This special symbol is an odd form of H. The first letter of the Greek pens 5 is the first letter from the Greek deca 10, and the H from hecaton 100. Other symbol can be described in the same way. The symbol 5 is often used alone and in the combination with 1 after a symbol for shorter number statement. The second is Greek alphabet system. In the 5 Cancer BC, the Attic system was replaced by an alphabetical system with symbols such as those in the table in the Greek alphabet number system, 1000, 2000 until 9000, often expressed in quotation marks for the symbol 1, 2 until 9, so 1000 is written with and 3000 with. The Chinese-Japanese numeral system 200 BC, this numerication system has existed since 200 BC. The Chinese wrote the numbers using a writing instrument called a pit, where the shapes resemble a brush. The writing is in the form of picture of pictography that has high artistic value. The Chinese numeral system, called the stem system, has a place value developed around 213 BC. The Chinese use 3 numbering systems, namely the first is the Hindu-Arabic system, the second is the other to use local numerals called Dixie, which are distinguished for commercial and financial purpose to avoid counterfeiting, As for Japan, it also used the Chinese numeral system, although it differed in pronunciation. After the Japanese Empire began to be influenced by Europe, the Arabic numeral system began to be used. In the Japanese number system, numbers are divided into groups of 4 digits. So a number like 10 million is actually read as 100 million. It's just that because of the influence of the Western world, numbers are always written with a 3-digit grouping of Western style. After that, Roman numerical system 100 BC. The Roman numeral system developed around the beginning of 100 AD, which has several basic symbols, namely H, V, H, L, C, D, and M, which represent the numbers 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000 respectively. This system is an adaptation of the Etrusc numerals. The use of Roman numerals persisted until the collapse of the Roman Empire around the 14th century and was later again replaced by the Hindu-Arabic system. The symbol H consists of 2 V's or is suggested by 10 fingers, or it may origin from the common way of counting, which asterisk is in group of 10. The Roman numeral system has no place value. When several symbols are combined, they can be written part by part. When a number contains 2 basic symbols, one number is smaller than the other, then the following applies: is addition if the symbol on the right represented the smaller number, and subtraction if the symbol on the left represents the smaller number. When 2 or more symbols are the same number written together, then all symbols represent the number. If the needed to write down many large numbers, the Romans often use a line over a numbers. The top line means 1,000 times. Hindu-Arabic's numerical system 300 BC until 775 AD. Historically, the system originated in the India around 300 BC, did not use place values, and did not have a zero symbol. They started using a place value system estimated to have occurred in 500 AD. The Hindu-Arabic numerical system used a place value system with a base of 10, which is influenced by the number of fingers, namely 10. The derivative from the Latin decim, which means 10. This numeration system is often called as the decimal system. It is not known exactly when and where the beginning of the zero symbol was used. There are only some suggestions that its zero symbol originated in Babylonian via Greek. This Hindu-Arabic numeral system has the following use properties. The first is using 10 basic symbols called number, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Numbers greater than are expressed to powers of 10, then has place value. After that, additive some number development using the Hindu-Arabic numeral system are stated as follows. The first is decimal number system. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system uses 10 basic symbols. Because this system is based on the base 10 system, it is known as the decimal system. The word decimal comes from the Latin word decim, which means 10. The basic symbol used in the system are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the system, the placement of a number in a square determined its value. In writing the numbers 3 in the power and is another way of expressing 10, 10, 10, or 1. Likewise, negative are used the decimal fraction. There 10 means or 1, non-decimal number system defects that our current system or calculation is the decimal number system. Maybe due the number of fingers being prominent in humans were equipped with 12 fingers, it is likely that a number system with a base of 12 would be used, but it's not difficult to create a Hindu-Arabic numerical system for a whole number more than 1. For example, in a septimal system where the base 7 is used, the number 403,516 has the same meaning as the decimal system, except that the power of 7 is used instead of the power of 10. Non-decimal numbers can be identified by paying attention to their index subscript. For example, 3457 is a septimal number base 7. Okay guys, that's all from me. If you have question and suggestion, you can write in column comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video on your social media. And turn on the bell to know notification for my next video. See you!